listen to see.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking my Just Shave facial serum, but just a little bit though, like half of a pump. Just want to, because my face is feeling really tight, and you can see like I have some lashes left back. Alright, so I'll be using my Your True Shade moisturizer. Sorry, and it looks like veils here. Where's the logo? Your True Shade. So Your True Shade, I'm using a couple of this stuff. Your True Shade is actually a Jamaican brand, and this is their it's not much I have on there. Is there, what's it called? It's like the pump that doesn't have like the straw or the stem in there, is like the air pump. I have about that more on there, and I'm putting it down here first because right here my mouth feels a little dry. Okay. Alright, okay. Oh, it's like going into my skin. So it's not sitting on top of my skin like a film. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it feels good. Okay, good. I have broken out so badly. Main reason being, I went to Me Hungry. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you'd have seen me. Where's my wedding ring? Okay. You'd have seen me. By the way, it's my old wedding ring, my first wedding ring. Well, it couldn't fit me. No, it's getting big for me. So, yay me. Yeah, so I went to Me Hungry, and I mean it's a vegan place here in Jamaica, and for Lent I'm giving up processed foods. Yeah, so I went to Me Hungry, you know, for lunch one day. So because you know it's vegan, so it's raw, so unprocessed, and I had a burger and I have a pizza. Now if you Google Me Hungry burger and pizza, it looks nothing like a burger, looks nothing like a pizza. And guys, tell me why the following day I had 1, 2, 3 bumps, 4, 5, those 2 came up like after, and I was like, oh my god. You guys know how I do my brows, right? Let's cut to the chase. Alright, so we got our brows done, honey. So next we're gonna move on to the foundation. So the foundation I'll be using Your True Shade, and this is 109.
Just let me work.
I'm on stage, black shirt and my Tim's. You know how I do it, I ain't playing with you, I've been grinding. Anybody trying to sleep on me, better do something with you.
So as you can see, it did not cover a lot. For me, this is medium coverage, not full coverage, because of the different imperfections that I have. And also I have a lot of texture on my face, and they're really hurting. Yeah, so I have texture plus that. But look at how well, you see my neck is dark. Look at how well it matches me. I don't think I've ever come across a foundation that matches me like that. It's really, really good for matching me like perfectly. Really appreciate that. It's also an air pump bottle, so it doesn't have any stem in it. So this part here, it goes up and up and up and up as it's being used up, so you know how much you have left in the bottle. So that's good. And this feels plasticky. It doesn't feel like it going to drop and break. So yeah, so that's just my little mini review. So I'm moving on to the rest of my face, and to highlight I'll be using Fawn from LA Pro Conceal, and to set my fawn I'll be using Your True Shade 106. That's the powder foundation. So I'll be using that to set my highlight, and I'll be going over where I didn't put highlight with this color here, and this is from my Shades by Gal contour palette. So I've been trying to venturing, I haven't used the black opal in a hot minute as my foundation. I've been trying other foundations and other things, but what I noticed I've stuck with is my Shades by Gal, and I've also stuck with this, my LA Pro Conceal. I've been trying with other foundations. Like I'm pointing it on my skin, and where I have the bumps, it is hurting. Like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Amazing. This is like a super herb, one of the best things you can put in your body. Sophie's being anti-messaging her other friends because they're more important. I'm just sipping on my vlog. And how many hours she spends with that on the couch, sitting doing the vlog. Oh yeah. 10 minutes of exercise, 10 hours of. As you guys saw, I just had a tiny breakfast. I just had sushi bowl. Now that is a very healthy dinner, but that portion size is ridiculous. You do not need 3 fillets of salmon for one shopping centre, grab a few things. So there are 3 main things that I do when I feel really bloated and just full of water, and that is drink water, don't consume salt that day, and break a sweat in your workout. I've had a lot of questions in your body, and obviously not consuming salt is going to be great because you don't want to add sodium onto your already sodium-filled body. So I'm going to walk around the shops now and drink this, try to finish this by the end of my shop, because I will be having another coffee before I work out. My car is packed full all of the time. It's not really worth complaining about. Kurt and I have like the best relationship ever. We have so much fun, but it just sucks that he lives so far.
Alright, so for my blush, I'm going to be taking Life's a Peach, and it's by Sleek Makeup. I've had this blush a while, and I am okay, maybe just a little bit, but I'm really holding back from doing glow because of my texture, and you know, glow over texture never looks good. Alright, so for my glow, I'll be taking It's Your Face Baked Bronzing Powder in Fiji. So I'm putting it on top of the bumps, as in over it. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be taking Faith by Pink Princess Cosmetics. I'm taking my glow, just a little bit though. Put it right here, just to bring some light to that area without being too dramatic. Now, I actually saw her look before I filmed, which is rare in these cases because I pre-film everything, but I actually saw her look before, and mama slayed her night look, okay? And I was like, okay, cool, you know, like she did the darn thing. This lip is just a plum color. It's from LA Colors. The name rubbed off. It's just like a plum. The wig has my face looking sculpted. Alright guys, so this is the look. So this is the day look. Pretty simple. The brows, to me, I feel are the most dramatic feature of this look. They look a little bit too thick for daytime, and it doesn't go with everything else, you know. If you have longer lashes, then this look will definitely work for you. My lashes aren't as long, which is why I choose to do long lashes, like dramatic lashes, because I don't have them naturally. Also, the lips are pretty nice and muted, the eyes are nice and muted, and I also want to use one palette for this look, so that you just use like everything that you already have rather than packing up stuff, you know. I probably should have used a smaller palette, like probably my Nubian one palette from what's it called, or like my elf palette or something like that from Fontana. I probably should have used a smaller palette, because I'm thinking maybe you're going to have to carry this palette around with you, and carrying this big palette will look, it will be cumbersome. It will be cumbersome. Alright, but this is the day look. A little bit of glow, not a lot. Yes, with my Annabelle hair. Yes. Alright, so that's the day look. Now I have you all zoomed in. Let's move on to the like night look. So I'm going to be taking the same brush. I'm going to try and use the same brushes that I've been using as well, rather than switching out brushes. And I'm going to be going with this darker color here on the outside. Now the trick to any night look is to just deepen the crease and add lashes, which is why I did not add any lashes for the day look. I really could have, but I chose not to because of how dramatic I want the eye look to be, and because more and more if I go, I'm going to make up and come back, because I just got it like that. So let me, yes, I did. So I use this on my eyes to do my waterline, and this is my LA Pro Primer in black. Should I do a cut crease? Nah. Alright, so let's do one of these here. Blend that out. This is my e.l.f. contour brush. It's really small and domed. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Alright, so we have that on, and that's looking pretty nice already. Then I'm going to be going in with this orange, no, this color here, like this nude. I'm putting that on my eyes. Where is it? Where is it? This nude, was it that? Let's see. Yep. Wow, it's raining. Alright, so I'm going to be going with this orange color up here. Then I'm going to pat it all around. Yeah, gorgeous, right? It's beautiful, honey. But I'm going to be taking my MAC 217 brush and blend that out. Alright, so I clearly need to do some more blending. Same color, bring it along here, blending that out. Going back in with the brush that I used before to do the black. Then I'm going to be going with this brown here. And blend those two together. Right, so next I'll be taking this orange here, this peachish orange. You guys know how I feel about coloring that area of my eye. It just, to me, it opens it up some more, and it just lets everything blend so seamlessly and so beautifully. Okay, now we're gonna pretend like we kind of lost some of the eye hair. What my something there? We're part. Okay, so I'm going back over with my LA Pro Prime and Black. And I'm putting that strictly only on my waterline, but because it's so big, it's going on my lash line as well. Then I'm going to be taking, I wish I didn't have to take another brush, but I'm going to have to. Sorry guys. An angle brush. See, it has some products on it, like some dark stuff on it already. Let me just kind of clean that off. And I'm gonna be going in with this orange down here. And I'm putting it underneath my lash line. Alright, going to grab this brush with whatever is on it and just blend out. Alright, so I just blended out around this area using this brush, my 217, with no added product on it. So now all I'm doing is just adding my lashes, and these are my fashionista lashes from my line Pour Me by Lyric. Alright, see so much more dramatic the lashes make it look, right? It adds just that element. Great, now I'm in the Illuminati. Alright, so I'm going to add more of Faith, but just in the center. And of course, throughout the day, if you lost some of your foundation, you know, you put your powder, I would suggest patting your face dry, then add powder only. No, nothing stick, nothing liquidy. If you're just layering, if you're building on what you already have, meaning. And for glow, I'm not going to add anything else. Throughout the day, it may have, you know, dissipated. It might go away during the day, but that's fine because we're heading into nighttime. And to me personally, this is nothing against anybody, so please don't make this into a thing, but to me, glows in the nighttime is just a little bit much, you know what I mean? Because I mean, in the daytime you have the sun to help it go, you know, to bring it up, but in the night it's just like the moonshine. And half the time you're probably in a club or at dinner in an enclosed area. So I guess I have the candlelight I don't know, but yeah. So that's basically it, guys. This is my day to night transformation. Yes, mama, come through. Oh, I forget we go a side part. Can we go have on door? Yeah. Woo. Alright, so this is my night look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and this collab. I think it's pretty cool knowing how to effortlessly or to seamlessly transition your day look into a night look. And notice what I did. I stick with one palette and I stayed within the same color scheme. The only black on my lid is the black I place on my waterline. So whatever black you have, with a black eyeliner or whatever, as long as it's kind of soft enough, it can work. It can double as your gel liner. So what was that? It can double as your gel liner. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please check out her channel as well. Yo, I loved her look, and my girl changed her wig and everything. Okay, but thank you so much. Thank you so much for collaborating with me. And again, I apologize that I have not been speaking in some of the collaborations. I already told you guys why. Because I got a son, and my son is a little bit active. Yeah. What? I need to blend this out now. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and please check out her channel as well. Show her some love, show her some support, please. In Jamaica we say one and watch the next one, meaning each one reach one. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.